Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Galaxy A34, and now I'm gonna show you how to set caller ID announcement on this device. To do it, just open the phone application, click on the right top corner of your screen, click settings, then choose answering and ending calls. Here you will see read caller name aloud. Click on it, enable it, and choose always or over Bluetooth and headphones only. I will use over Bluetooth and headphones only, because when I ride in a bike and my smartphone is on my backpack, I want to hear who calls me using my earbuds, so my headphones. So I don't want to announce for everyone who calls me. So I think this setting is too privacy. So that's it, thanks for watching, like this video, and bye.